James Wise with HoltonWise. Today I have another high income cash flow producing duplex in the Cleveland market. Let's dive in. Nine 9524 Birchwood, Garfield Heights, Ohio. I am very high on Garfield Heights. This is a quality suburb. You see, the suburban cities are much better than the actual city. Cleveland proper is typically C class or lower, whereas when we go out to the suburbs, we have a little bit higher class. We have an area like Garfield, that's a nice quality B-class neighborhood. Now, if you're not familiar with what C-class or B-class means, I need you to read The Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. I'm sure we have that on the video here somewhere. You need to check that out. We'll also put a link in the description above or below. You need to read that to understand exactly what the differences are between C or B class. Don't let the front of this house deceive you. As you see as we walk up the driveway, this thing is much deeper than what it appears. It looks like it's just your standard single-family bungalow. It's not. It is in fact a two-family property. All that space, that's in the depth. We have a one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit upstairs, currently rented at $495, and a two-bedroom, one-bathroom rented for $670 downstairs. That's a total rent of $1,165 a month, and the property is only $59,900. Where else can you buy something for under $60,000 and receive over $1,100 a month in rent? That is unheard of. That is why Cleveland, Ohio is one of the best rental markets in the country. You cannot get a price to rent ratio like this in LA, in New York, in Houston, in Seattle. You just can't do it. That's why investors just like you from around the globe are flocking to HoltonWise, flocking to Cleveland, because we can sell you these high cash flow producing properties. We have the infrastructure to do everything for you. You need repairs at your property? The HoltonWise construction staff has you covered. We can even help you insure the property. We have referrals like the Hogue Insurance Agency. You see, the Hogue Insurance Agency is headed by a guy who used to work for HoltonWise as a realtor. He's also an investor. They understand the bottom line is what you're looking for. They're not going to upsell you on products that investors don't need. All of our sales are going to be safe and sound. You want to get a third-party inspection beforehand. We don't want you to buy this property without having a completely separate set of eyes looking at it to ensure that you're getting a quality product. And if you don't have your own inspector, whom we encourage you to find, we have referrals for that as well. On top of that, title work. We have referrals for title companies who understand the wants and needs of an investor. You're going to buy every single property you buy from HoltonWise, you're going to buy with a completely ironclad title insurance policy. The property is only $59,900. Yes, under $60,000, so you can easily buy this cash. But this is the great thing about working with HoltonWise. You don't have to buy this property cash. We have lenders for you. You can get into this property with only $15,000 out of your pocket. This is purely real estate investing made easy. We have literally taken out all the unknowns. We have the infrastructure in place to handle everything. A few things I want to get into before we go. The house, it was built in 1951. The taxes, $2,554 a year. These properties go quick. It's very important that if you want to buy the property, you click the link above or below as soon as possible. Now, I understand some of you are not quite ready to pull the trigger. And you know what? That is totally fine. Yes, if you do want to buy it, you need to act quick. You need to act aggressive. You need to have your financing and your money lined up. but I am not here to pressure you. So if you are not ready to do that just yet, that's totally fine. Keep watching the channel. Make sure you pound the like button, hit the subscribe button, keep watching the content. We pump out deals, we also pump out education, tips, everything and anything that has to do with real estate investing or being a landlord. We are pumping out this content. If you have a question that is not in our content yet, simply post that question in the comment section of the Ask James Wise video, and we will produce a full quality video just like this answering your specific question. And that is totally free. If you already own a property in the Cleveland market and you want to sell, you want to see your property featured in a video just like this one, reach out to me. HoltonWise is the #1 seller of investment property in the entire greater Cleveland area. We could promote your property to an investor base that is nationwide. Actually, we even have clients as far away as Singapore, the UK, the United Arab Emirates. What other broker in the Cleveland area is selling properties to investors in Singapore? To my knowledge, I think I'm the only guy who's tapped into that market. I'm James Wise with HoltonWise, realtor, broker, investor, entrepreneur. If you want to hear more about me, my personal life story, you can follow me on my Instagram at JamesWiseHWPG. As always, James Wise, HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.